is the moment, tonight is the night.
Good evening, everybody. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with another video on Dogelon Mars. So this is going down. Unfortunately, we need to flip the rocket ship the other way around because we had it this way, but it needs to be this way. So unfortunately, but the good thing is that technically, nothing has changed from our weekly update videos, and we were saying that we did have support at 7078. So around this area, which it looks like we are attempting to close over. Let me just make sure the chart is correct. Yes, it is. So we are attempting to close over 7078, which I'm really hoping we do close over, because if we don't, we are probably going to get a bigger sell-off, and that would be absolutely insane. But regardless, I do want to show you and emphasize on this indicator that the daily RSI is extremely oversold. The last time this was the case was, generally speaking, it did mark some sort of bottom before we did get some sort of recovery rally. So the RSI on the daily is extremely oversold. And then looking at it on the weekly, it is getting close to being extremely oversold. So we're not oversold yet, but you can see we're just about getting ready to hit it. And that's on the weekly. Now the stock RSI hasn't completely reset yet, so maybe we do have a little bit more selling before we get some sort of recovery rally out of here. But that's pretty much it for Dogelon Mars. I did manage to pick up 75 more billion coins. So yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that because that is overexposing myself. However, I do want to, that 75 billion I could play with. So, we'll see what happens with it. I hope I'm right. I hope we go back up, because that 75 billion is going to be, I think maybe 2 to 3x, which is, how much is it right now? Like 6K, 7K or something. Wait, is it? No, like 6K or something like that. But yeah, so if that can go to 18,000 or like 20,000, then that would be like, wow, that would be so good, because I could sell that and keep my 100 billion and just let that ride, But we'll see what happens. I will keep you updated. I am making the watch list videos tomorrow. So, and for anybody that says Dogelon Mars sucks, it's the entire market. It's not just Dogelon. So just keep in mind that Dogelon actually percent-wise, didn't fall down as much as some other coins did. So if you put that into perspective and take that as the unit of measurement, then you'll know that Dogelon Mars did technically outperform some other coins that had really big moves. Because I think, let me see, this move down was 46%, but I think Pudgy Penguins was one of them, right? This is a huge coin, right? Yeah, like look at this, dude. This is a huge coin, and look at this. This thing went down 82%. You know what I mean? And this is like on a lot of major exchanges. So that's just one example, but I did notice that obviously when I was going through, when my eyes were bleeding, when my portfolio was going down. So anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for all of your support, even though there's nobody here, but I do appreciate, I think there's like 100 people watching. I'm in it with you guys. I like the coin. Obviously we're gonna make it. I'm hoping, because I can't endure any more selling. Actually, I can't endure more selling, so honestly, just bring it on, whatever at this point. And yeah, obviously I'll keep everybody updated. Thank you so much for stopping by. None of this is financial advice. It is all just simply my opinion. And have a great night. I'll see everybody tomorrow.